Welcome to my YouTube channel WK Motors, and thank you for tuning in to explore the all-new 2026 Land Cruiser LC300. If you're passionate about powerful SUVs and legendary off-road performance, then make sure to subscribe to WK Motors so you stay updated with the latest automotive reviews and updates. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic and anticipated vehicles in the SUV world, and that is the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300. This new model carries forward the proud legacy of the Land Cruiser while embracing modern technology, advanced safety and premium luxury like never before. The 2026 LC300 continues to build on Toyota's reputation for reliability, durability and off-road dominance. The exterior design is bold, muscular and unmistakably Land Cruiser. It features a massive front grille, strong shoulder lines, LED headlamps and a high ground clearance that reinforces its go-anywhere attitude. The refreshed front and rear bumpers along with new alloy wheels and updated lighting elements give the LC300 a more aggressive and modern look while staying true to its rugged roots. Under the hood, the 2026 Land Cruiser LC300 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers an impressive 409 horsepower and 650 Nm of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This engine replaces the previous V8 while offering more power and better fuel efficiency. The full-time four-wheel drive system with low range and multiple terrain modes ensures unmatched capability on sand, mud, rocks and snow. A multi-terrain monitor and electronic differential lock further boost confidence on extreme trails. Inside the cabin, Toyota has taken luxury and comfort to the next level. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, soft touch panels and a premium design that reflects both toughness and elegance. A large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the dashboard with support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation and a premium sound system. Ventilated leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging and a digital instrument cluster add to the comfort and modern driving experience. Ample legroom and headroom in all three rows make it a true family SUV. In terms of safety, the 2026 LC300 comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring and 360-degree camera. These features not only improve safety but also enhance everyday usability for both city and highway driving. Overall, the 2026 Land Cruiser LC300 blends legendary toughness with luxury and innovation, making it one of the most capable and refined SUVs in the world. Whether you are an adventure enthusiast or someone seeking a dependable and comfortable ride, the LC300 is designed to exceed expectations. Thanks for watching WK Motors, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon for more exciting reviews and updates.